Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Diinpaul 3.5-inch outdoor speakers wired, waterproof wall mount speakers. There are features include superior sound. These outdoor speakers feature a 3.5-inch woofer and 0.5-inch Mylar dome tweeter. The high-sensitivity polypropylene cone provide you with clear sound. Built-in crossover. These outdoor speakers have built-in capacity to prevent it from high power burn. Waterproof IP44, on the patio, by the pool, or on your yacht. The Dinnpaul 3.5-inch waterproof outdoor speakers pair lets you enjoy your music with no compromises, withstanding wind and rain. Easy installation. Setting up an outdoor speaker wired system may seem daunting, but once you get started you'll find that it's a much simpler task than it appears to be. Mounting your outdoor speakers in sheltered areas, then connect them to Amplifier via speaker cable. In addition, this outdoor speakers can be installed vertically or horizontally. Passive speaker. Please note that this outdoor speakers are passive. Amplifier and power cord are not included. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.